Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn forgot Windows 7 password, how to log in Windows 7 without password. iSunshare Windows 7 Password Genius can help you reset Windows 7 login password without data loss. You need to get another accessible computer to download and install iSunshare Windows 7 Password Genius. Now open the software. Select the USB device as the media type. OK, insert your USB drive and choose it. Well, click the Begin Burning button. A warning prompt comes to tell you the USB drive will be formatted. Click Yes to proceed. Once the burning process is done, you can disconnect the USB drive and insert it into the locked Windows 7 computer. Start the locked computer, then press F12 to enter boot options. Select to boot from USB. Select your operating system, then choose the locked account. Click the Reset Password and Yes buttons on the prompt. Now the login password is removed. You can click the Reboot button to restart the computer. Remember to disconnect the USB drive before clicking the Yes button. That's all for the video.